Hello there. So for this week I've created a script that retrieves a satellite image from an external API called MapQuest and slices it up into 50 by 50 images. I can pass in both the longitude and latitude values of the location, and then a zoom level of the 17 and a image type of a PNG. If I run the code here, you can see that I've put in a location within Bristol, and here you go. It should output a large map with the watermark cropped out, and then a bunch of 50 by 50 images, which has been sliced up to, which then I can classify into its own types. Since the classifier is going to be a very large dataset, I am working with Ben and Alex to get a much larger dataset, with each of us categorizing over 1,000 images each so far. However, since we have this many datasets, when I tested it against a classifier that we used last week, except now I've made it so it saves out the model and uses 8 different types of data instead of just cats and dogs. The model overfitted itself since each defined category that we've given here only has a couple of hundred images in them, or much less, which is way too small, so we need a much larger data set, and I need to improve the classifier since it only gives out a value of 1 or 0 at the moment. It doesn't actually say how much of each category it's in.